Hi, today we're going to talk about an amazing automation that will save you a lot of time in your work. This automation will help you create PDF files completely on a scheduled interval of time directly inside your Notion database. So as you can see, we are today talking about performance report PDF generation. So this is a simple performance report template that I have created in a Google document. And in this template, I have put certain elements inside double curly brackets as you can see over here. We have employee name, we have job title, we have department name. All these fields have been put inside double curly brackets on both the side. And these are the exact same fields which we have created in a Notion database over here. So we have employee name, job title, department name, and all the corresponding fields. What the automation will do is it will fetch the information from the database one by one for every column, and it will replace that information onto this Google document in the corresponding fields, and it will create a PDF file for us. The best part is the PDF file will be stored directly inside this Notion database over here, and then we can also schedule the automation to run on a regular interval. And once it is set, we never need to generate the PDF. We never need to set up the automation ever again. So it is all a one-time setup, and we can schedule the automation to run on a regular interval, and it will automatically generate the PDF files even while you are asleep. So let us see how this will work. So first of all, what I will do is, as you can see, two of the PDF files were already generated before I started recording this video. So this column is used to determine which of the records will be used to generate the PDF file. So currently two records have been created as PDFs over here. So what you can do is, in your case, simply click on this column and you can click on the ready to generate. Once you click on ready to generate, it will automatically create the PDF file over here for the corresponding record. So I will quickly show you how the PDF file will be created over here. So what we can do is we can go to AutoDocCreator. This is the extension which we'll be using for this purpose, AutoDocCreator extension. So make sure you head over to AutoDocCreator and purchase this extension license from by clicking on Get Automation Access. And once you purchase the license, you will be able to enjoy this automation on your directly on your Google document. So let me click on generate PDF over here. As I click on that, you will be able to see this particular record getting created, as has been marked as ready to generate over here. So we will now see how this uh, particular record gets created over here. And as you can see, the record has now been generated. We get two things, that is the PDF file link as well as a raw PDF file. So if you click on PDF file link, it will take you to the Google Drive file link, where you will be able to see all the corresponding placeholders have been mapped, fetching the information from the Notion database itself. So this is supremely effective, and it creates the PDF file swiftly with just one click. Okay. We even have all the files created from this database directly over here, as we had set up the automation to run on 5-minute interval. So if you click on this, I had already scheduled this to run on a 5-minute interval. So every 5 minute, it will check my database and it will create my PDF file. So you can see I have put over 5 minutes over here. You can go with any frequency as per your choice to run this automation. So once again, you just need to install the Autodoc Creator extension by going to autodoccreator.com and click on Get Automation Access to gain access to the automation. Once it is installed, you can set up all these things only one time, and then you can schedule to run the automation on a regular interval, which will create the PDF files directly inside the Notion database at a regular frequency. You never need to go to the Google document or do any sort of modifications ever once it is correctly set up. That's the beauty of using this automation. Once you install this extension, you will get all the necessary steps for setting up the automation, for mapping the fields and scheduling the automation, and how it will exactly execute. So I hope this entire demonstration was helpful to you. If you have any questions still left, just reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, or you can get going to this Autodoc Creator website and send me your issues by using the contact window, and I'll be happy to assist you with the queries. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.